On December 1st, the sportswear giant will launch the second edition of its PlayStation-themed basketball shoes, designed for NBA superstar Paul George. Like the original shoes earlier this year, the new PG 2.5X PlayStation is inspired by the Sony gaming console, but this pair takes all the keys from the original PlayStation instead of the PS4. The first thing you will notice is that the last shoe is gray, the same color as Sony's first PlayStation console. This is complemented by details such as the multicolor logo of PS in the language of the left shoe, which pays homage to the old-school PlayStation. As an added benefit, it turns on when pressed. On the right side, there is a Paul George logo PG that can also be illuminated, although for this button you must press a picosecond power button on the inside of the tongue. The other PG PlayStation sneaker worked in a similar way, but the red, blue, yellow and teal colors of the old PS logo make the design stand out much more than the previous dark blue model. Those retro accents of the PS logo are also used on the different Nike swooshes that are found everywhere, as well as the lace ties on the left and right shoes. Meanwhile, the shiny patent leather in the midsole honors Sony's DualShock controller with small prints of the X, square, circle and triangle buttons. The details of the button are also found in the new Velcro strap of the PG 2.5, which is one of the main differences between this and the PlayStation PG2S. Another change is the lack of a picosecond store coupon code on the heel of the shoe, since it has been replaced by the name of Oklahoma City Thunder player Paul on the left, George on the right.